based on a stone which is thrown upwards or downwards within a lift that has a velocity and some acceleration. Generally, the questions asked are, how long will it take to catch the ball or say the stone? For example, if you look at this situation here, if I consider an observer in the lift, for that observer the velocity of the stone as seen by the lift is velocity of the stone as seen by the lift. Lift is nothing but the observer, that is 5 meter per second. That is the data according to the question. Velocity of the stone as seen by this one. Acceleration of the stone with respect to lift is acceleration of the stone minus acceleration of the lift. What is it? Acceleration of the stone. Stone is moving under the influence of gravity, so I will write as minus g, and acceleration of the lift is 5. So I can say this is minus 15 meter per second square. That is the value of acceleration of the stone with respect to this. Now, displacement of the stone as seen by the lift. What is it? It is 0. Why is it 0? Because it starts from the person's hands and it comes back to his hand. So, the net displacement happens to be 0. As it returns to the starting point, it happens to be, the net displacement happens to be 0. So, now what is the approach? The approach is you use the equations of motion. V is equal to velocity of the stone with respect to lift is u stone with respect to lift plus acceleration of the stone with respect to lift into t. S displacement is equal to u t plus half a t square. V square, that is V SL square, is equal to u SL square plus 2 a s. So, we can use these equations of motion, solve for the unknown.